let's make fruit fly traps. I mean, why not? So I have all these little jars. I've been trying to find a use for them, and I think this is going to work well. I don't like killing insects, but I do draw the line at mosquitoes and fruit flies. So first thing first, just fill each jar with a little apple cider vinegar. If you don't have jars like this, I mean, you can just use a container. Whatever works. Don't go spending a lot of money on these, more than you have to. I just add a little bit of the vinegar to each. The next step is you want to drop a little bit of dish soap in each jar. You can just do it directly from the bottle. I have these little pipettes, I want to use these too, living the mad scientist life. So just a few droplets in each jar. Now the next step is to cover each of your jars or containers. I'm using tin foil because it's easy to work with, but if you have the original lid, you can use that. If you have tape, saran wrap, just use what you have, right? So cover each of the jars, containers, and then you want to poke a little hole. I put 3 here and I use that little picture nail, or whatever you want to call that. But I mean, you can even use a pen or a pencil, small screwdriver, whatever works, If you haven't caught on, this doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, I just kind of place the tin foil on top like that, put a couple holes, and that's it for those. An alternative to using tin foil that I like to do is using a coffee filter. And the cool thing about these, they tend to turn out kind of aesthetically pleasing. So pretty simple, just wrap the coffee filter around the top, tie a string around it to hold it in place, and then if you want to, trim off the extra coffee filter kind of hanging around there. And same thing, just poke a couple holes in the top. And that's it. So place your newly made traps next to your plants, and hopefully that solves the issue for you. Another thing you can do is just kind of let your plants dry out a little more in between watering. And yeah, thanks for watching.